We then move on to work on the eyebrows. Now it's very important that your nails are short for this and that you don't roll your fingers across onto the eyes. So you're purely working on the eyebrow and you'll feel that bony ridge that you're working on. Start with your fingers right in the middle. You can just apply pressure with your thumb, or if you use your little fingers or your fingers, you make very small circles and you're coming right out along the edge of the eyebrow. Now if somebody has very high eyebrows, very thin eyebrows because they've plucked them a lot or had them waxed a lot, what you're really feeling for is the top edge of the eye socket, and that's the line you're following. So the eyebrows are a guide when they're natural eyebrows, but if they've been manicured a lot, you may just need to feel for the top of the eye socket. I'm using my thumb here just so that my hands are out of the way so that you can see what I'm doing. You can see I'm doing it in very, very small circles. You can also just press and hold. So I'm starting in the centre and then I'm moving out. If somebody has been frowning a lot, this will be a very tender spot. Some people will find this, they'll almost be wincing as you do this work. Other people won't be affected by it at all. You can also do it while you hold your finger in the middle and just press and release out along the eyebrow. By holding the finger in the middle, you're stopping the skin being dragged across. Now, if you're working with somebody who has very dry skin or somebody who's particularly elderly, you might want to use a little cream or lotion here just to stop dragging the skin. So if you're doing the finger in the middle, you're doing one side at a time. If you're using your thumb or your finger on both at once, then you come out equally on both sides. So you can do that static pressure, or you can do the little circles. You can do this 4 or 5 times in one go, or you can do it once and come back to it. It really doesn't matter. If you find that your client is particularly tight in this area, then it's worth doing more than once. If not, it's something that you can come back to. We can do most of these techniques in any order and as many times as we want. The one thing we don't keep doing is the deep jaw release that we'll come on to soon.